11-month-old Abdel Rahman is no longer the energetic baby he once was. He now sleeps most of the day, gently rocked by his mother, who is still grappling with how quickly he went from feverish and vomiting to partially paralyzed. My child started to move and crawled at an early age, Naveen says, but suddenly everything went backwards. Suddenly he was no longer crawling or moving or able to stand on his feet or even sit. Doctors delivered the devastating news earlier this month. Abdel Rahman has polio, the first known case in Gaza in 25 years. It is a shock for a mother to hear such news. Now he is lying here in the tent in these unhealthy conditions. There is no treatment, no capabilities, and no supplements. The course of Abdel Rahman's life cruelly twisted by the war that started just weeks after he was born, leaving him vulnerable to malnutrition, dirty drinking water, and missed vaccines. The fear now that Abdel Rahman could be the first of many. What is your plan to keep this one confirmed case from becoming an epidemic in the Gaza Strip?
Absolutely. The plan is to start a vaccination campaign, a mass vaccination campaign involving all children under 10. There are 640,000 children who need to be reached. So we need to reach about 95% of them.
1.2 million vaccine doses have now arrived, and thousands of UN staffers and volunteers are ready to inoculate Gaza's children. The challenge will be getting the job done as the war rages on.
It's a relatively easy vaccine to administer. It's drops on tongs. It doesn't require needles. It doesn't require injections. It's something that's relatively simple to do. The difficult part is everything else.
Gaza's health system has been devastated by nearly 11 months of war. And global health officials are calling for a pause in the fighting to distribute the vaccine. Israeli authorities, who launched a drive to vaccinate their troops last month, haven't committed to that. But they say, quote, routine humanitarian pauses will facilitate the inoculation drive. In central Gaza, Naveen fans the flies from her son's face. She is helpless to fight off the disease that now grips his small body. Abdul Rahman needs treatment, she says, pleading with the world to take her son out of Gaza. She is still waiting for someone to answer her cry.